So hey guys, welcome back. So last time, car exploded. Not really. WRX decided that she wasn't running no more. Come to find out, it was a boost leak. Took me a little while to find it because like the coupler on the corner bend right off the intercooler, it came off just on the bottom, and it was really difficult to find because like the coupler and the clamp were still on it. But yeah, we found that, and then we fixed it, took it out for a test run, and she was running great until more couplers started popping because the clamps are, these are the clamps that they provide you, and I'm just not like a big fan of that style. They like I know like those two that I showed you, they're in fact stripped out. They're as tight as they go on, but we just got some slightly better Mishimoto clamps actually that we're gonna throw on here real quick. Yeah, we're literally just gonna throw some clamps on here, and we'll drive around with the car maybe. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know what this video is gonna be, just because we're in the process of moving actually to a new garage. Maybe I'll take you guys over there today after we drive around a little bit. I don't know. We'll see what happens. I'm not going to film me doing clamps because, well, it's clamps. So, cut to some French clamps. And there we go. New, much better clamps. Hopefully that helps, preventing further boost leaks. So yeah, we're going to load the new map on, and we'll take her for a test drive. How do you feel about this new tuned Citizen? You're the best boy. And good morning. It's the next day. I'm actually going to take you to the new house. I don't know if I had mentioned it or why I would have mentioned it before, but Gabe and Emma actually just recently bought a house. They asked me to move with them. So we're right now, they just closed on it a little while ago, so we've started like some minor renovations. AC's kicking on. We started some minor renovations We've started some minor renovations. It's too early in the morning. I need to go get a Monster. We're going to meet Gabe over at the new house, and we're going to actually resurface the garage. So, because I want to continue making videos, and I don't really have a whole lot that can be done to the WRX at the moment, I'm taking you guys with me. So let's go. Beautiful. It's beautiful stuff right there. But anyways, so we're here now, and here's the garage. It's big and empty, and it's a mess. I really should have thought this through and like charged my battery before like coming here, because I got like 1 bar left on it. So, but me and Gabe, we're gonna sweep this thing up, and we're gonna seal the floor and make it all pretty and stuff hopefully today. And yeah, it's gonna be some good stuff. So I'll just like pick the camera back up and check in once we got something to show for it, I guess. And ignore our awesome synthwave music, but got those shelves all cleared out, and all that debris. So gonna be throwing that the floor etching down now. We're gonna do the etching, and then move on to the next step, I suppose. All right, so we got everything cleaned, and we've kind of already started laying down the sealant and stuff like that. You know what? Screw it. We're gonna do a little time lapse for you, I guess. Yeah, time lapse. And now we're back at the house. So yeah, I know that I know it was kind of choppy and stuff like that. So thanks for sticking with me if you did. Hopefully, things will even out. It's just been crazy, trying to get the house ready to move in, life in general, other stuff. But I think I figured out a way to do some more day in the life stuff in lieu of, not as much WRX things happening, and maybe there's going to be a new project on the horizon to absorb some stuff. I don't know what's going to happen, but, we'll see. I just enjoy making these videos, so I'm going to keep making them. But yeah, give me a like, leave a comment, subscribe, and see you next time.